Title of the video: Illustrating Addition of Functions Using algebraic tiles with braille codes and function machine made of tactile materials. Let's get started. We need to have 3 function machine. The first one will be our fx function. The second is the gx function. And the third will be our f plus g x function. But before that, let's define what is addition of function. Addition of functions definition. So let f and g be functions. Their sum, denoted by f plus g, is the function denoted by the quantity of f plus g x is equal to fx plus gx. For example, we have the given functions fx is equals to x plus 5 and gx is equals to 2x minus 1. In our example, we need to determine the following functions. First, we have the quantity of f plus g, x, and the second one, we have the quantity of f plus g where x is equals to 3. Given the function f plus gx for our first example, we need to input or substitute the first value of fx, which is x plus 5. And for our gx, with the value of 2x minus 1. So, we have x plus 5 plus 2x minus 1. The output or the result of the two function is 3x plus 4. Okay, now let us solve for the second function. So we have f plus g where x is equals to 3. First, input the 3 in our fx function. That is x plus 5. That will be 3 plus 5 is equals to 8. We also need to input 3 to the gx function. So we have 2x minus 1. That will be 2 times 3 minus 1 is equals to 5. Lastly, we need to input 3 to our f plus g function. That is 3x plus 4. That will be 3 times 3 plus 4 is equal to 13. Hope you liked the video and see you in the next video.